when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So one of my good peeps on YouTube, Monique, here you go right here. This is what you requested. Now I'm about to bring it to you. You know what I mean? We're about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. So we have our cabbage, our Jiffy cornbread, our turkey bacon, ground turkey, home-style mashed potatoes, smoked turkey wings, but that's extra. That's just extra. I put that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cook that with the cabbage. And you know I got my little wine. So I'm about to make it happen in this Good Kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed this video, Monique. And don't forget, share this video out, you know, and pass the word. That's how we looking. Cornbread. We have our ground turkey. And we'll go ahead and season it up. Season to your taste. Yep, and a nice season to your taste. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix all our seasoning in, just like so. I'll put everything in the description, everything, whatever I'm using, name everything, all the seasoning. So what you wanna do? So we're gonna put our breadcrumbs in there. About a cup. And a half. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on another glove. I'm gonna mix this in. Okay, so we just shaped it up. Let our little turkey bacon down, like so. It don't have to be no perfect shape. Just want this. Boom. Remember, Cooking is patience. You gotta have patience. Now you just want to just patch it up real good. With your bacon. Okay, so here we go right here. Looking good, looking good. Now I'm about to go ahead and throw this in the oven. But before we do that, we're gonna add a little more seasoning to it. Just like so. Oven preheated on 400. Okay, so here go the juice from the turkey drumsticks. That's the juice right there. So now we'll go ahead and add some all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup. We'll add a 1/2 cup. That's it. That's all we need. Then we're gonna mix that in. So if I wanted me to do some gravy, so I'm gonna make some gravy from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this in. Okay, so we have a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. It's all mixed in. Nice and tender. Yup, nice and tender. We're gonna add that with the cabbage. Match with it, just like so. And slowly, slowly we'll start adding our water. Okay. So you just want to keep on stirring it. It's like making your roux, your gumbo. Once you get that nice color, do it. I'm gonna keep on messing with it. You don't want to keep your eyes off that. You want to keep your eyes on it. Like I said, you gotta have patience. And everything will come together. Watch and see. Everything. Okay, so here we go right here. And we got our gravy going. If you want to make it a little darker, you just turn your fire on and let it cook a little longer. Well, that's what I'm looking for right here. here. Like, we got our gravy. If you want it to run a little more, add a little more water to it. That's how you make gravy from scratch with all-purpose flour. Okay, now it's time to get the cabbage right. Add our vegetable oil. That's all we need right there. Don't need no more than that. Now we'll turn this on. Wait till it get hot. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and put our bell peppers. Just a long couple times. I'll set our oven right there. The bacon wrap meatloaf is about ready. So this is tender. Look at it. That's nice and tender. So we have our cabbage. You just want to just get as many as you can in there. Put the top on this. And once it shrinks from your top, right on there, it's kind of fine. So it's going in there. We also will fry some chicken up. We'll do the chicken off camera. Y'all done seen me fry chicken so many times. Alright, so that was the cabbage right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on there. You gotta do this one. Okay, so we'll add some complete seasoning. Tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. That's it. It's like a nice sunny dinner right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Here's our fried cabbage. Okay, so here we go right here, Monique. It's done. We have our ground turkey meatloaf, fried chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, mashed potato style and gravy. Got Jiffy cornbread, nice little sweetness to it. Fried cabbage with the smoked turkey drumstick. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a nice Sunday dinner, for real. Well, my family wanted me to make it happen, so this was your request, and I made it happen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.